In this episode, we visit our customer's factory to present a flexible production solution for composite wooden doors. We will demonstrate some commonly used production processes, giving you a clear understanding of how a qualified composite door is manufactured. Door assembly. Solid wood composite door. For a solid wood composite door, the surface layer uses solid wood laminated panels with a wood grain veneer finish. After applying PVC adhesive, workers assemble the door core on top. The door core is constructed with a solid wood frame fixed with nails and filled internally with a tubular core. Particle board composite door. The particle board composite door is positioned as a more cost-effective product. It uses the same solid wood frame structure, but the door skin is changed to MDF, and the door core filling is replaced with a particle board tubular core. Door leaf. That's an essential component for manufacturing double doors. Microwave pressing. After assembly, the wooden doors are scanned by the system to retrieve production information, and the system automatically selects the optimal processing parameters. Microwave pressing is a fast method for pressing and curing PVC glue. Microwave heating has penetrating characteristics, making it highly effective for thick products, such as wooden doors. After 60 to 90 seconds of heating and pressing, the door undergoes a secondary pressure holding stage to ensure that no woofing occurs during the cooling process. Load and unload gantry. A gantry is installed between the microwave pressing station and the four-side saw. Semi-finished doors are loaded and unloaded. At this point, glue curing is carried out in a separate area. Four-side saw cutting. The dimensions of the semi-finished doors are not highly accurate. The doors are aligned as they enter the four-side saw, and for independent saw blade sections, cut them to achieve precise final dimensions. Bottom groove milling. For certain wooden doors with different bottom edge treatments, bottom groove milling is performed after cutting on the four-side saw. Edge banding. Before entering the edge banding machine, the gantry automatically selects the feed in direction. The edge banding machine used is the CEBM.468.C full function model, which is capable of handling a wide range of complex edge banding requirements. During peak production periods, a single edge banding machine can feed in up to 4 wooden doors simultaneously for edge banding. The maximum number per cycle can be freely configured, and the machine records the edge banding sequence for each door. After completing the edge banding on one side, the door enters the return conveyor to change direction and continue with the remaining edge banding. Once all doors have completed edge banding, the return conveyor will gradually release the doors into the next process. After all edges have been banded, the wooden doors enter the caching machine, where up to 8 doors can be temporarily stored. Bottom sealer groove milling. Doors that require a bottom sealer will have the installation groove on the production line. lock and hinge formula. Data code scanner. Finally, different types of lock mortises and hinge holes are milled according to the customized requirements. 3. Independently moving spindle. Units can simultaneously machine 2 sets of hinge holes and 1 set of lock holes, significantly reducing waiting time between different processes. At this point, the production of the door is basically complete. It will then be packaged and shipped to the customer's home for final installation. To learn more about wooden door production lines, feel free to subscribe to our channel.